Hello friend, in this video, we will see some most important shortcut keys in the Windows operating system. These are the shortcut keys you must remember. I hope you already knew this. Let's move to other shortcut keys. Press Windows key and Tab key. Here you can create your virtual desktop. All desktop will be completely isolated. Press Windows key and D key. You can see, this will minimize all the open tabs. I hope you know this shortcut key. Pressing Windows key and PRTSCR takes a screenshot of your desktop. Did you know pressing Windows key and up arrow key will maximize the windows? If you knew, then please comment below. If you press Windows key and Tab key, then you can see all windows that is opened in desktop. You can switch between windows by clicking Tab key. If you like emojis, then there are awesome emojis collection in Windows. You can get that by pressing Windows key and dot key. These are the some bonus shortcut keys. If you like content, then don't forget to like the video. Have a great day.